Hi, welcome back to my channel. Now what we are going to do is a very simple baby blanket, but actually when you understand how to do this stitch, you can use this for making bags, blankets, or blouse. It depends on your creativity, but as long as you know how to do this, then you're good to go on what project you would like to do with this kind of stitch. So to start with, you have to chain three in every stitch like this. So it depends how long you want it to be. If you're making a blanket, then definitely it's a very long chain. But for now, let's start with, just for the sake of this video, I'll show you how to start with a small sample like this. So let's start with chain 1, 2, and 3. And then again 1, 2, and 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3, so meaning we are allocating 3 chains in every stitch of that. Then again 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. So if, for example, you're happy with this size, this long, this will be your end. Just chain 1. Okay. Okay, to start with doing that stitch, this is your chain 1. Then just go to the next stitch here, but you don't need to pull it through. Okay, just go like this, and then 1, and then next stitch 2, and then next stitch 3, and then next stitch 4, and then next stitch 5. So meaning 5 stitches without pulling it through yet. And then with that 5 stitches, it will give you 2, 4, 6 loops. Okay, and then these 6 loops, just pull it through like that. Yarn over, and then just pull it through, and then chain. You see that? So chain, and then now we need to do the same. We need 6 loops again here, but we will start from here. Look at that, it's very clear. We will start from here in the middle. So again 1, and then next is here, this one, 2, and then down here 3, and then here 4, next chain 5. So 5 times it will give you 2, 4, 6 loops again. Okay, just repeat it. Chain. Okay, and then again from the middle to this and to this. Okay, middle 1, and then here, don't forget this one, 2, and then here 3, 4, and 5. 5 times, 5 chains, then it will give you 2, 4, 6 loops. Okay, just do it again and again. Chain, then again 1, here, don't forget 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 4, 6. Just count your loops just to make sure. Okay, middle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6 loops. Good. And again. Okay, here in the middle 1. Don't forget this one, the first stitch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. but 2 4 6 loops. Okay, yarn over, chain. Okay, again from the middle, 1. Next is this one, 2. Then here, 3, 4, and then 5, 2 4 6 loops. Good. Okay, and then chain, and then at the last you need double crochet in here. Okay, or I think if ever you can add one chain here at the end, but for now, yeah, double crochet here, then turn your work, chain 1, turn your work, and all we have to do is 2 single crochet in each of the hole, this hole, the middle. You can see that circle here. Okay, chain 1, and then we did chain 1 and then single crochet here. Okay, and then 2 single crochet in each of this middle. 1 and then 2. Then where's the next? Here. Okay, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Next, here. Okay, 1 and 2. Where's the next? Here. Okay, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Okay, so that's your last. Then 1 single crochet at the end. Okay, and turn your work, chain 3, 1 2 3. Okay, in here, this is your second row. For that, you need to do this from here, from your chain 3 on the second chain. We have to, you can see that, do this 1. Again, we need 6 loops here, and then on the next chain 2, and then you will go down to your single crochet here, 4 loops, 2 4 5, 2 4 6. So that's the time that you need to slip to pull it through. Okay, again chain, you will slip, 3 loops, 4 loops, 5 loops, 6 loops. One, 3 loops, 4 loops, 2 4 5, 2 4 6. 1 3 4 2 4 5 4 6. And double crochet at the end. It's my husband talking. So double crochet at the end and then chain 1, turn your work. So we need single crochet here, and then all the holes we need 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Where's the next one? Here. 1, 2. Next one here. 1, 2. Next is here. We need 1, 2. So we need single crochet at the end. Okay. Again, you need chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work and then chain 3, and then from the next chain here you need to start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have 2, 4, 6 loops. Turn it over, chain, and then again here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Pull it through again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then pull it through, and then again 5, pull it through. At the end you just need to do double crochet, okay, and then yeah, you just need to continue that. If you're doing this, at the end is double crochet. If you're doing single crochet, at the end is single crochet. I hope you like it, and see you on our next project together. Thank you.